Today I'm going to show you how to restore Snapchat streaks. So let's begin the video. Here I am going to open my Snapchat app, and once I have opened my Snapchat app, then I will click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Here I clicked on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then in the settings I scroll down and go to the option I need help. After that I am going to click on the I lost my snap streak option, and once I click on it, it will redirect me to this page. Now I will scroll down and go to this option. Here I will click on the cross. After that I will click on the first option. This article didn't answer my question or solve my problem, and then at this interface I will click on the contact us option at the bottom. Then here at this interface I will click on the I lost my snap streak option. After that I will scroll down and go to the option yes. Then it will redirect me to this interface, and now at this interface I have to fill up this form. Here I will enter my username, email address, mobile number, device name and other related information. Now after entering your necessary details at this form, you also have to answer these questions, and once you answer these questions, here you have to describe your issue in detail and then click on the submit button. I'm sure that this method will work for you. So this is how you can restore lost snap streak.